How will we come to know that this particular question has nothing will happen, the answer? Okay. Vinyl chloride structure is this one. And now if I react with the aqueous KOH, here we have resonance. Can you see that? And due to this resonance, there is a double bond character between the chlorine and the carbon. There is a resonance, so we can draw the structure of the vinyl chloride something like this. And it is a double bond character. Due to this double bond character, the cleavage of the bond is difficult. The Cl will negative will not go out. And we will not say that the OH ion can replace the chlorine. No, that is not possible. So that is why answer is nothing will happen. Am I clear?
क्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है ना, तो उसको इलेक्ट्रॉन लेना भी तो चाहिए.
Yes, but at the same time, it is also causing the plus R effect, resonance effect. Remember plus 1, right? There's a resonance here. And due to resonance, there is a double bond character. And making double bond. Whenever we have minus I effect by the chlorine and a plus R by the chlorine, the plus R dominates. That we have done in the grade 11. Organic chemistry, we have done that. Done now. Any more question in this assignment? Namya, have you done this assignment?
यस सर. सर उसके मेरे 2-3 क्वेश्चंस में डाउट था.
Ask me now.
एक सर 8th में और एक नीचे. एक मिनट बताती हूँ सर.
Let us go to the 8th question first. Let us go to the 8th question first. This question to be solved, right? Mic on kariye, Namya. Yeah. Your mic has so much disturbance. Starting material is benzene in all the cases. And we have to get the meta-nitrochlorobenzene. From the benzene, we have to get the meta-nitrochlorobenzene. Draw the structure first. Meta-nitrochlorobenzene. So, if we go by this path 1, the chlorination with FeCl3, it will make a chlorobenzene, right? It's an electrophilic substitution reaction. And now we know that this chlorine causes the plus R effect. It is increasing electron density at ortho and para position, and that is why it is the ortho para director. It means if we go for the nitration here now, the NO2 group will go at 2 positions, one at ortho nitrochlorobenzene and second will be para nitrochlorobenzene. It means by this way I'm not getting my result. So this is why A is wrong option. Got it now? But if I go by the second path number 2, and here I'm doing the nitration first, nitric acid H2SO4, I'll get a nitro group at the here. And you know that this is causing the minus R effect and it's a meta director. And now second step is the chlorine in the presence of the light. In the presence of the light, the free radical substitution reaction take place. And that is why no reaction will take place here because benzene do not undergo free radical substitution. It means my second option is also wrong. Now left with the third option now. Let us start with the third option now. Let me change the color of the ink now. Okay, I'll draw with this color. Now the benzene here. First we're going for the nitration here. HNO3 and H2SO4. Right? This is causing the nitro group. This nitro group is a meta director. I have told you it's a meta director because of the minus R effect. And now if you go for the free FeCl3 presence, it is undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction. And by this way, I am getting a meta position nitro group. And that's where my target is achieved. It means my correct answer is the option third correct answer. Am I clear? Am I clear, Namya? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, एक 12th भी और एक third.
Okay, anyone who wants to note down, please note it down first. Then coming to the next question.
सर ये मेटा डायरेक्टर कैसे है NO2?
ये मेटा डायरेक्टर कैसे है? For that, if you draw the resonating structure, I will draw it for you. You'll get to know the answer. +1 का GOC पढ़ करके आइए. It will be better for you. Right? +1 का
ठीक है
basic
सर.
organic chemistry, resonance, minus R effect, minus I effect. That will help you a lot. Right? Just a second, please. Here we have an NO2 group. This is causing the minus R effect. It is withdrawing electron because oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. It will become negatively charged. This will take up electron from the carbon now. Keep on drawing the resonating structure. You know how to draw the structures? Nitin?
Yes sir.
Right.
Yes sir, आता है.
So if you draw the resonating structure, you can find that there is a positive charge at the ortho position and the para position. Again, it will come at the ortho. It means there is a more electron density at the meta position. Here we have comparatively more electron density. And that is why whenever we go for the electrophilic substitution reaction with the nitrobenzene, the electrophile will attack at the meta position, not at the ortho position or para position.
अच्छा सर मतलब वहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज होना जरूरी नहीं है.
No, it has a comparatively more electron density at ortho and para position.
ठीक है सर.
That is why it is a meta director, right?
Right.
Okay. Yes. Any more question from this assignment? All done, everyone? Varshit? Suman? Gitika?
सर थर्ड करवा दो।
Third. Okay. Nitin, you tell me, where are you stuck in this question? Tell me the problematic area. Let us see this question now. An organic compound C4H9Br, C4H9Br, on treatment with the alcoholic KOH gave isomeric products with C4H8, which upon ozonolysis gave only one product, aldehyde, acetaldehyde. So what is X? So C4H8 is an alkene, CnH2n, right? And alkene upon ozonolysis gives aldehyde. It means सब कुछ हमारा +1 का टॉपिक हो गया, right? Alkene की preparation from haloalkane. That we have done in the grade 11 only. So if we draw the structures of the C4H9Br, one possible structure is this. I'm saying one possible structure. I will not say this is my answer. I'll say one of the possible structure is this. Means one bromobutane. If I go for the alcoholic KOH, you know that alcoholic KOH is a dehydrohalogenating agent. It removes the hydrogen and halogen. Elimination. Br from here and H from here. Right? Refer to your plus one question, plus one concept. It brings the alkene here. And if it undergoes ozonolysis, you know how to go for the ozonolysis. Cleavage from here, and you will get a 2-aldehyde here. One is the propanol, other the ethanol. You know the mechanism of ozonolysis, +1.
हाँ सर।
It means this is
Oh.
not satisfying my condition. It is not giving my one aldehyde. It is giving two different aldehyde. It means my structure is wrong. My answer is wrong here. This is absolutely wrong. Another possible structure. Let us start with another possible structure, and that is why this way I can get. The function of the alcoholic KOH is the elimination reaction, right? Br negative will go from here, and H will go from here or here. The two possibilities. I will draw the two possibilities. One is double bond at number 1 position, and number 2 at the number 2 position. The two possible structures are possible. A is I'm neglecting it because it is not going to give the one product. Moreover, it is also not stable according to Sedzeff rule. You know, remember the Sedzeff rule? +1. If two different alkenes are possible, the one that is more alkylated will be the major product. +1 को thoroughly पढ़ के hydrocarbon or general organic chemistry. It will become easy for you. Now, if you go for the ozonolysis, it will cleavage from here, and that will make it aldehyde. It means it is giving the correct answer. The answer is not 2-bromobutane, C4H910. It is option 1 is the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Am I clear? So +1 का आप हाइड्रोकार्बन और जनरल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री पर टोटल कमांड कर लो. Within 1 day or 2 days, maximum. It will take maximum time this much. Right? Otherwise, you will be stuck at every step in the organic chemistry. That's why I told you in the +1, go for the organic chemistry thoroughly. +2 में आधा syllabus यानी second book पूरा organic chemistry है. If you're not done even now, no problem. Do it now. It's never too late. Any more question from this assignment? Everyone has done this? अरे बोलो।
यस सर,
चलो,
मेरे क्वेश्चन तो खत्म हुए सर।
दोस्त जिन्होंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया है वो भी ट्राई कर लेना। आई एम कमिंग टू द माय नेक्स्ट टॉपिक नाउ। Last time we were discussing about the preparation of haloalkane. Preparation of haloalkane. From the alkane we have done. From the alkene we have done, where we had done the Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule. Yes or no? We have done that. That much we have done. Yes or no? Let me know. Notebook देख के बता दो.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Anti-Markovnikov.
Okay. Markovnikov, anti-Markovnikov we have done. Get command over these topics, right? Otherwise, you will be stuck at every step. Practice it. And now, preparation from alcohol. Preparation from alcohol also we have done the Groves method. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
नहीं sir.
Yeah.
कंप्लीट नहीं हुई थी, मतलब हम
Yes, yes.
एंटी-मार्कोनिक पूरी हो गई थी,
Yeah, yeah.
वो चल रही थी और मीटिंग एंड हो गई.
I was about to tell you that why the primary alcohol give turbidity upon heating. This is example of a primary alcohol, right?
We're waiting room cha.
No. What we are doing here, if you go for the mechanism with HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride, it's a concentrated one. Due to this reaction, chlorobenzene is formed, chloromethane is formed, and water is formed. And this leads to the turbidity. Turbidity means cloudiness. In the test tube, you will find some clouds are formed. But turbidity is obtained upon heating only. Means the reaction takes place upon heating. But if you have the secondary alcohol, here I don't require heating. The reaction takes place by itself, but it takes some time, 5 minutes. It means reaction takes place comparatively faster. This reaction is easy to take place. So turbidity appears after 5 minutes. Turbidity appears after 5 minutes. And if you take the tertiary alcohol here with the same HCl, same anhydrous aluminum chloride, we get here this compound, the OH replaced by the chlorine, but immediate turbidity. As soon as we add a drop of the HCl and this one, AlCl3, immediate turbidity appears. It means the reaction is fast here. Here we can distinguish between the primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. Right? How will it distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol? This test can be done, and this test is called as the Lucas test. This test is called the Lucas test. It's a primary alcohol, it's a secondary alcohol, and then the third one is a tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, now it is a tertiary alcohol. Let us go for the reason for this. The reason for this is, in case of the primary alcohol, from the HCl H positive attacks on the lone pair, and this goes out, and we get a primary carbocation where the Cl negative attacks. You can see this primary carbocation. Keep in mind primary carbocation. But if I make the same mechanism with the secondary alcohol, going to attack upon the oxygen here, let the OH water goes out. You can see secondary carbocation is formed. Can you tell me which is more stable, primary carbocation or secondary carbocation?
Secondary.
So secondary.
Secondary. तो जिस रिएक्शन का इंटरमीडिएट ज्यादा स्टेबल होता है वो ज्यादा अमाउंट में बनता है और ज्यादा स्टेबल भी होता है. It means if you go for the primary and secondary, check here we have primary carbocation and here we have secondary carbocation. So of course this will form immediately, it will form faster, and that is why it is taking 5 minutes, whereas the primary is taking heat, then only it's taking place. But if we talk about the tertiary one, what type of carbocation it will give now? You can predict now very clearly. Tell me. Yeah. What type of carbocation it is going to give? Remove water from here. You will get a tertiary carbocation, right? This is the most stable carbocation among all the three. And that is why the reaction takes place immediately. Yes or no? So the turbidity appears immediately because of the reason that the carbocation is most stable here. The reaction whose intermediate is more stable, that will take place faster. Yes or no? Understood? Namya, Arjot, getting this?
Clear, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, next method of preparation. I'm going to discuss about the best method of preparation. That method is called the Darjan method. Sorry, Darjan method. According to this method, Darjan method, this alcohol, we are reacting with a thionyl chloride, SOCl2. This compound is called a thionyl chloride. It forms here RCl, sulfur dioxide, and HCl. This sulfur dioxide is a gas, HCl is a gas. They escape out and we don't need to purify. And that is why it is the best method. No need of purification. We get pure chloride, pure haloalkane. It does not involve formation of any side product. I hope it's clear now. Next method. From alcohol, PCl5, RCl, POCl3, and HCl. This R can be any long chain of carbon. It can be 1 carbon chain or 2 carbon chain or 3 carbon chain, doesn't matter. With PCl3 also. RCl plus H3PO3, 3 molecules. These are the best method to prepare. These are all the methods to prepare the alkane from alcohol. The best method is the Darjan's method. Best method is the Darjan's method. Understood? And now, next write down from the allylic substitution. When I talk about the allylic, what does the allylic stand for? Allylic means double bond. Next carbon atom is called allylic carbon. And this hydrogen is called the allylic hydrogen. This is called the allylic hydrogen. What we do here, if we add here chlorine, but temperature 773 Kelvin temperature or above, then the allylic substitution take place. It does not affect the double bond, but the allylic on the allylic hydrogen is replaced by the chlorine. So this is called an allylic substitution. Second way, add here NBS. NBS stands for N-bromosuccinamide. In the presence of the N-bromosuccinamide, the bromination takes place at the allylic position. Bromination takes place at the allylic position. Bromination takes place at the allylic position. Understood? Now come for the attendance now. Angad Deol,
Present, sir.
Gitika,
Present, sir.
Gurpriya,
Present, sir.
Harjot Kaur,
Present, sir.
Jeremy, Namya,
Present, sir.
Nimar,
Present, sir.
good. Nitin,
Present, sir.
Sharanjot,
Present, sir.
Sumandeep,
Present, sir.
Sanveer,
Present, sir.
Tanisha,
Present, sir.
Varshit.
Present, sir.
Okay. Now let me know any doubt till now. Now, question is, what is this N-bromosuccinamide, right? This may be one question. What is this N-bromosuccinamide? We're calling it understand this compound is called succinic acid. Succinic acid. You just add here ammonia. Ammonia is NH3. Remove water from here and you will get here N-bromosuccinamide. Sorry, succinamide. This is called a succinamide. Now, add here aqueous KOH base. This H is acidic. Combine the water, combine with the OH to form water. So you will get here N with K. This is a potassium succinamide. Now we add here something like HBr or something, Br, which will remove the K with the Br part, N-bromosuccinamide. So what you get here is this one now. N-bromosuccinamide. This is known as an NBS. This N-bromosuccinamide causes the allylic substitution. This is causing the allylic substitution. Understood? Yes or no? Next method. From any alkyl halide, where the X can be here chlorine or a bromine, if you treat it with the mercurous fluoride Hg2F2, you will get a RF plus Hg2X2. By this way, you are getting the alkyl fluoride. This reaction is called as a halide exchange reaction because one halogen is replaced by another halogen. So it's a halide exchange reaction. This reaction is called as a Schwarz reaction. By name reaction, it is called as a Schwarz reaction. In place of the HgCl, HgF2, you can also use antimony trifluoride, or also you can use here AgF. Basically, we are replacing the chlorine or bromine by the fluorine. Chlorine or bromine by the fluorine. This reaction is called as a Schwarz reaction or halide exchange reaction. Any doubt till now? Gurpriya, Harjot, Gitika, everyone?
No, sir.
No.
But in reactions के जो names है वो याद रखने important है ना.
Repeat your question. Voice is not clear.
सर जो वो Schwarz reaction वगैरह जो reactions हैं ये naming reactions हैं ये important है ना बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yes, these are important. These are important. Multiple choice question will be there. So it can be which of the following is a Schwarz reaction, right? Or reaction is given. What is the name of the reaction? Different reactions are there. In your syllabus, we have 42 name reactions only. Total syllabus 42. Right? So to be not so difficult. Very, very easy. Schwarz reaction. One more reaction we can discuss here, that is the Finkelstein reaction. Alkyl halide, where chlorine or a bromine reaction with the sodium iodide in the presence of an acetone, Ri plus NaX. Again, it is a halide exchange reaction. The name of the reaction is a Finkelstein reaction. Name of reaction is Finkelstein reaction. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको ये दोबारा देखना है तो मैं यूट्यूब पे इसे अपलोड कर दूंगा, तो यू कैन सर्च ऑन दैट यूट्यूब ऑल्सो, राइट? इट विल बी अवेलेबल. The same class, same everything, right? You can see on the YouTube also. I'll share the link also in your group, right? Now question is here, what is the role of the acetone here? The point is the reaction is in the state of equilibrium, and इस equilibrium से हम reaction को forward में लेके जाना चाहते हैं जिससे yield बढ़ जाए. And we know that Ri is a covalent compound, it's a non-polar. And acetone is also non-polar, but salt is polar here. So what we do is, if we add the acetone, the NaX will not dissolve in acetone, and that will settle down. And the Ri will be dissolved in acetone. इस NaX को अगर मैं रिमूव कर देता हूँ, according to the Lee-Chatelier principle, अगर हम प्रोडक्ट में कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम करते हैं, then the reaction will go in the forward direction. And by that way, the yield of the Ri will increase. By that way, the yield of Ri will increase. That is why we are adding here acetone. Apply here the concept of Lee-Chatelier. And this will reaction go in the forward direction. Am I clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. That's all for now.